Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video we will show you how to you make professional Upwork seller account in easy way. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new updates. And you searching a graphic designer, web designer, etc, so don't forget to contact me. And how to you make professional accounts, so visit my channel. We upload all type of videos. Thank you. Let's start the topic.
Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and in today's video I'm going to create a Upwork account from first to last. So as you already know, Upwork is a top marketplace around the world. There are many more marketplaces like Upwork, but this is the most popular one and the most powerful one actually. As you know already, there are Fiverr, people per hour, freelancer, Techtoc, and Upwork is the world's worker marketplace where you can provide your freelancing services or your skills and you can make money online. So for creating an Upwork account as a freelancer, you have to just choose find work. That means you will work here, and this is for the clients or the people who wanna hire the people who are providing services. So let's go to the sign up. I just have to sign up, and here you can see select the I am a freelancer looking for work and apply for freelancer. And here you can give your first name, last name, email address, password, and select your country. But instead of that, you can just simply choose your Google account to sign up, and make sure that your Google account name is similar to your national identity card or passport or visa passport or driving license or anything, so you can verify your account later easily. So let's go. This is my legal name on my national identity card. So as you can see already, so this has took my Gmail, my name, and I just have to select my country here, and you have to choose yes, I understand and agree to Upwork terms of service. So let's create my account. That is not it actually, because we have to do a lot more settings. And okay, as you can see, my account has created successfully. Well, the animation is good actually. Okay, this is loading the page automatically. Okay, so now here I have to select I have to answer some questions and get started. So let's take a look. Ready for your next big opportunity, answer a few questions. Okay, we can get started with there, but Upwork has involvement. Okay, these are some testimonials of the top clients around the top talents around the world. So Wahidulem, he's from Bangladesh, from my country, and he's wow, this is really amazing. So let's get started. A few more questions first. Have you freelanced before? Yes, I have. Yep, I have freelanced for years and got it. So what's your biggest goal for freelancing? To earn my main income, to earn money on the side. Okay, this is my main income, so I will choose this one. And how you like to work? I would like to find opportunities myself. Client post, job post on our talent marketplace, you can browse and bid for them. Okay, and I'd like to package up my work for clients to buy. Select this one. I would like Upwork to act as recruiter once you have been for a while. Our talent escort service might recruit you directly for a client. Yeah, I also want that. So choose 3 of them, and this is really important because okay, so this is loading again. How would you like to tell us about yourself? Import from LinkedIn, upload your resume, fill out manually. Okay, so if you have a LinkedIn account, you can just choose your LinkedIn account, but I don't have right now, so Yeah, I'm a full stack developer. And if you have relevant work experience, edit here, add experience like web developer, company. Okay, this is my company I just worked on, and location Switzerland. I don't know how it SWITZER. I was right. Switzerland, and location I'm currently working on this role. Okay, let's save it. Okay, I have to choose when did I start. Let's say January 2021. On this, I'm working on this company as their web developer. Okay, so let's save it. And now add your education. My education I can select here like okay, here I have to let's choose college, HSC. High school degree and field of study, let's say like business. Yes, business. And dates attended from 2028 and 2028 to 2020. Okay, so I have studied in that college, and let's save it. And now I can just go to the languages, and English my level is fluent, and add another language. Let's say like I know Bengali my level is fluent, of course. Add a language. I know Spanish little bit, Spanish. And I can say this is my basic, because I don't know that much Spanish. Okay, so nearly there. What work are you here to do? Let's say like web development, WordPress development, and YouTube. Okay, these three are okay for now. We can add them later. And now write your bio. Let's write a bio quickly. Hello, I am Ashraful. I am full-time freelancer from Bangladesh. I have experience on WordPress, YouTube marketing, and search engine optimization. Okay, so I am here on Upwork to provide the services I know. I know a lot more services, but for now, this is my perfect bio, I think. Okay, so I am using Grammarly. As you can see, this is correcting my mistakes in grammar because I'm typing so quickly. And choose your area of work. Tell us about the work, what you do, what is the main service you offer. Of course, I will offer what it is. Here for my web development services, I am here to provide e-commerce development. Okay, so now this is my hourly rate. This is really important. As a beginner, my hourly rate is only $10, and Upwork service free. So this is the Upwork service fee. That means when you were completed $10 work, Upwork will take $2 as commission of them, and you will get $8. And yeah, I know how it works. And let's go there. Okay, so I have to just edit a photo here and last few details, then you can check and publish your profile. So I have to give my, okay, this is optional. This is city, zip, postal code. Okay, I get it. So I will be back after filling my photo here because I don't have the photo ready here yet. Or I have, let's choose, no, I don't have ready here. Okay, I will be back. Okay, so I have the image ready now, so I can select the image here. Where are you? Okay, this is the image of myself, and I just can drag and drop here a little bit more. Okay, so this is perfect. A little bit more, and yeah, now this is perfect. And this is showing that your photo should be a close-up to your face, show your face clearly, no sunglasses of course, be clear and crisp, had a natural black background. Okay, my background is natural. Let's hope the photo is approved. Okay, this is taking a little bit time here. Okay, so my photo is approved here, so I can give my address here. And my city is okay, my zip postal code is let's take a look. Here I can take a look at my zip postal code, like no, this is not actually my zip or postal code. I have to check from my national identity card. Okay, so this is important to put your real address, because without that you can get approved. 017. Okay, check your profile. This will check my profile and create my profile shortly. Okay, so this is something I just edited at my profile, and this is going for submission, and I am just submitting my profile right now. Okay, so as you can see, nice work, and Ashraful alone, your profile is ready. So I can browse jobs now. Okay, so finally I have my Upwork profile ready here, and you are almost done. I can choose them one by one, like I can choose a video introduction, I can choose more education, I can add my portfolios, employment history, and as you can see that profile photo overview skills are done. And let's close this one. So now my profile is activated, and I can just turn on this. Okay, so let's turn on this one. Got it. Okay, so now my profile is available here. As you can see, this is online, and I have just created my account successfully. So let's close this one. This is a message something, and as you can see, I am already getting job requests like edit valuable content with long tail keywords. This is a SEO task, right? Need a writer for WordPress blogs. This is really good for me. And retyping PDF into Word, data entry, and many more. And of course, I can provide my services from now on Fiverr. And if I go to find work and go to the project dashboard, here I can create a project like a Fiverr gig actually. So create, review, and sell. I can start selling from now. And this was pretty much about the creation of a Upwork profile. And I hope you really enjoyed this video. I just have to select a new password here and confirm my password and some security questions and check this mark ons, and I can save this on. So these are the some settings I will show you in my next video, but for now, bye bye. But